It's time for some Valentine gift ideas, and so today I'm going to share with you 14 gift basket ideas that you can give for Valentine's Day. This first basket is going to be a spa basket, and I'm recycling a basket I had from Christmas. I went ahead and picked up some of my favorite items from Dollar Tree. I absolutely love these face masks that they have and the Yardley soap. I pick that up all the time. I happened to get the rose scented one this time. It matched my basket, but all the soap that they have in the Yardley brand works amazing. I also picked up some lotions and a super cute cupcake sponge. I'm just going to go ahead and put them into the basket and arrange it kind of in a circle. This is a rather large basket, and so I just wanted to take up space by going around, starting in the back and then filling in the front. Once I have all of my goodies in there, I did go ahead and take some of these balloons that they have over in the crafting area. You get 4 to a pack. You just pop them and they puff up and they make super cute fillers for your baskets. Here is what the spa basket looks like. I think it's totally amazing, and it would be great for a wife, girlfriend, or even just a friend. The next basket is inspired by my son. It's called an artist basket. I went ahead and just got one of the heart baskets from the Valentine area, and then I picked up 3 different coloring type books. One is learning how to draw, and then a color by number, and then they have these kind of fun metallic and neon crayons. I picked up those along with some colored pencils and a super cute card. I'm just going to layer these into the basket, and I just kind of fold those into the back, and it is a little bit heavy, so you're going to want to hold on to it as you put in the rest of the things for your basket. I did go ahead and include some sweethearts, conversation hearts, and then here is this super cute basket. Our next basket is a crafting basket, which is of course near and dear to my heart, so I thought I'd do something a little outside of the box here. I picked up one of these pink bags, which kind of looks like a purse or whatever, but I thought it'd be fun as a crafting bag, and then I picked up some of my favorite items that they have over in the Dollar Tree crafting square area. And of course, a basket from me would not be complete without buttons if we're talking about crafting. So then I'm just going to go ahead and layer them into the bag. It's a little hard to see like in the final product of this gift basket idea, but you're just going to layer. You want kind of your bigger things to be in the back and then the smaller things to be in the front, so it gives it kind of a contrast and you get a fun layering idea in here. I did go ahead in the end and add a couple spools of my favorite ribbon, which is the farmhouse cream colored ribbon that they have there, and then of course one of my blow up balloons, and here is the final look of this super cute bag crafting basket. This next basket is called an animal lover's basket. I'm really just including some of the cute little animal goodies that they have over in the Valentine area. But I got one of these cute little mailboxes and I'm filling it with some candy. And then I also picked up one of the boxes of chocolates that had a cute little dog with glasses. I thought it was adorable. And then I picked up, of course, one of the monkeys. It's the hugging monkey. And I picked up another one of these little balloons, and then a card which had a little kitty on it, and I put that in the back. And this would be perfect for a coworker or friend, somebody that you know who absolutely loves animals. Our next basket is called a book lover basket, which if you didn't know this about me, I absolutely love to read and read all the time. I picked up a couple of books from the book area. Now, this is not a traditional basket either. I went ahead and picked up one of the big bags because if you're a book lover like me, you probably do use bookstores or something like that, and you need a bag to carry all of your heavy big books. And I won't lie, I love big books. So if you look here, it's kind of hard to see, but it's just an oversized tote, and I went ahead and put everything into the bag. I have a couple books here, a candle, some chocolate, and a little notebook to keep notes of your favorite passages, or even just to keep track of the books that you read. I promise you, any book lover in your family would love this basket. next basket idea is called a relaxation basket, and I'm just using again one of those little heart baskets that they have in the Valentine area. They do come in a 2-pack, so be careful when you pick those up. I did get charged for just one basket, even though they actually are a 2-pack. So I picked up an adult coloring book. I have a candle, a comfy pair of socks, some really fun Himalayan salt chapstick, and some chocolates, and I thought this would be a really fun for maybe a coworker so that they can have some relaxation after a long day at work. This next basket idea is a sticker lover's basket. Now this would work for a crafter, someone who does a lot of planning like I do, who uses a lot of stickers in their planner, or even a really fun one for kids. But I picked up a very different arrangement or assortment of stickers, and then I have just a little assortment of candies and some peeps, a card, and of course one of my little balloons that came in the 4-pack. So I'm just going to put my bigger sticker sets in the back of this little basket. And then I just sort of layer them with the smaller stickers going in front. Some of these are rub-on transfers as well, so this would work for an adult. I think the cactus cat stickers are probably one of my favorite stickers they have at the Dollar Tree. But then I go ahead and I layer the candy into the front of the basket along with my cute little shark balloon and a card. I think that the cards that they have over at the Dollar Tree seasonal area are super adorable, and for $1 you cannot beat that. So our next basket is a teacher appreciation basket, and I picked up some of my favorite items. I got this gold little basket. These highlighters are similar to the midliner highlighters that they sell at Walmart and Staples, and they're only $1, so you can't beat that. I picked up some stickers and this super cute bee clipboard, which isn't going to fit in this basket, but I show you a separate option at the end of this little clip. So I'm going to go ahead and layer these into the basket. I have a cute little notepad and calendar along with some fun colored pens, and of course some washi tape because I'm a nerd and I love my planner. But here's the look of it with just the gold basket. It would also work with the flat gold basket if you wanted to include the clipboard in with the gold theme. But you could also here use one of the book baskets that they have there. I happen to have an orange one, so I went ahead and just put all the same supplies in there, and then the clipboard is in the back, and this makes a super cute gift idea as well. Our next basket is a tea lovers basket for all my tea lovers out there, and I went ahead and picked up this plastic cart that is in the seasonal area, a couple packages of tea. These mugs come in a pack of 2, and we're going to use the second one in another basket idea, and then these fudge cookies. I did try the cookies and they were pretty good, just in case you were wondering. Now I was trying to make these pretty easy and fast baskets for you, but I think that you could also take the tea out of the boxes, put them in a cute little jar, and that would make an extra added touch to this cute basket idea. I'm calling our next basket the Baked with Love basket. I am using another one of those plastic carts. I chose not to put the shred in this one. I did pick up about 3 different packages of cookie mix, a spatula, some measuring spoons, this super cute bear who smells like chocolate, and then I found these cute little signs over in the frame area that both have to do with kitchens and baking. And so I'm going to go ahead and just build this, obviously with the bigger things in the back, and then I'm going to go ahead and put the cookie mix to kind of hold it and be more stable, and then I just kind of add around into the basket, and I just start filling it with the other objects. This is one of my favorite baskets of the day just because I love the little signs, and I think that it is super cute that it says "Bake the World a Better Place." So this basket I named the creativity basket, and these are a lot of the items that come from over in the toy department. I'm not a huge fan of Dollar Tree toys, but what I really do love is like their Play-Doh and modeling clay, because that's a pretty good price for stuff that tends to go dry, especially if you have little kids. So this little hair modeling kit with the Play-Doh, it has to be the most adorable thing I've ever seen, and I decided that I definitely would have wanted that if I was a kid. So then I'm just gonna put these into this basket. The thing I like about this basket, it could definitely be used as the storage bin for these items. So it's kind of a 2-for-1, especially if you're giving this to a gift for your own child, because then you have a way to store them as well. Our next basket is a gardener lover basket. I went ahead and picked up one of the bigger planters that they have, and then I got some shears and I went ahead and took those out of the packaging because the shovel and the rake are not in packaging, and so it just aesthetically goes better. I went ahead and picked up some seeds, and this year they have the most adorable butterfly gloves I have ever seen, so I picked those up, and then I got a couple different stepping stones. I'm going to go ahead and layer these items into our pot, and this makes a super fun gift. Now I want to tell you guys, if you missed my gardening wreath from last year, it is one of my most favorite wreaths that I have ever made, and all the items that you need to make the wreath are out at the dollar store right now. So I will list that video up here in the cards, and then I'll put it down in the description box. But if you are somebody who loves gardening or you want to give it as a gift, I'm telling you, it is definitely one of my most favorite wreaths, again, that I have ever made. So this one is definitely customizable. You can pick out the colors you like and the different gloves that they have out. You can definitely pick that to suit the person you are giving it to, but this is super fun and you can give it, and it's ready for spring right now. Our next basket is a coffee lover's basket, and I am using another one of those big plastic bowls with some shred. I picked up 2 packages of the hazelnut coffee and some creamer, another one of the second one of our coffee mugs that come in a 2-pack, and then some sugar, and then I also picked up this really cute little coffee sign. It lights up if you put a battery in there. And then my favorite part of this whole basket is the card, and it says, I love you, a latte, which is just adorable. So our last basket of the day is a VALENTINE basket, and we're starting out with one of the plastic hearts and paper shred again. I picked up some lavender lotion, a candle, a plastic Be My Valentine wine glass, some strawberry truffles, and these super cute lip pops. I don't know, they look like giant lips, like you're pouting. It would be total selfie. And then my favorite part of the basket is the Best Friends or Friends Forever frogs. They had several different to choose from, stuffed animal wise, and they all say something like Friends Forever. I think they're absolutely adorable. Even if you didn't give the basket and only picked up the stuffed animals, it would be a really fun thing for a friend to give a best friend. And I don't know about you, but I'm never too old for a super cute stuffed animal. I had an absolute blast making these, and I can't wait to give them away to my friends and family. If you loved this video, check out this video next, and as always, wherever you are in your journey is a perfect place to start, and I will see you in my next video.